everyone! My name is Ashley and you're watching Ashley Cool. So today I have a very special guest. I can't do it! So we are making a little something for each other. So I'll be doing this. I'm making an alien and I'm making a hedgehog. It's so cute. Look at it. Look at it. So yeah, that's the plan. We're gonna figure out the spike first. No worries. You think we can do it? No. Comment down below who won. Like the last time when I was against my baby cousin, she won. This is not fair because I don't know how to sew. So for my hedgehog, you're gonna need some light brown, you're gonna need some pale, and you're gonna need some soft. So for my alien, you will need green felt, blue felt, so for this, we're gonna need some needles. Ding! Needles! And we're also gonna need some string. Ding! Inside this box right here. String! A Sharpie. Scissors. And that's all you'll need. Oh! Okay, so yeah, let's go. After drawing the circle, cut it out and you have to repeat it twice. Keep in mind to repeat it twice because you need to repeat it twice. So trim any unwanted edges and repeat it again. So I did repeat it again. And now I'm cutting out the second round, and just make sure it's around the same size because you will be using both pieces. Oh yes. Now you want to draw the alien and promptly cut it out. So basically usually I cut a big piece and then from there I will work around it and make it even smaller. So I'm actually kind of readjusting here and there because yeah, and here it is. So this is the finished green part. It should be sewed on like so. So making the gray part, I will cut it out and show you how it looks like. So that is how it should be placed onto the alien. So for the alien, I'll be using this lime green thread and I will be threading it onto the alien. So next, I'm actually using baby blue thread to thread around the whole spaceship. So that's kind of how it looks like, and once that is done, I'm sewing on the gray parts of the thing. Once that is done, I'm using black thread to sew on the bottom of the spaceship and then stuff. So once that is done, it is basically complete. So here is how my thing looks like, and it's pretty cute. I mean, look at it. Whoosh! Hedgehog, as you can see, I've already drawn the outline. You're gonna want to fold the felt in half so that you get 2 equal sides when you cut it. Snoopity boop. As you can see, okay, so just trim the edges and and now for the underbelly, you're gonna want to cut a little semicircle on a beige kind of felt. Yeah. Fun fact, okay? Please do not like sew the beigey things on the same size because when you sew it together, it's not gonna look good. Anyway, yeah, after you're done, just sew the edges up, stuff it up. I kind of fast forwarded. So, you can't even see it. It had tiny little eyes, and this is how it ended up to be. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it, but there's these two little strings coming out. That's the signs that I obviously 100% did myself. Look at this is what it's supposed to look like. Look at pretty close. It doesn't have eyes, but like you get it. You get it. No.
we get started, we're gonna need some needles. So